Look, I'm not here to tell you what to do. Okay, maybe. I'm here to share my opinions. And my opinion with you is that you already know, see, when it comes to accessories, there's really just no way to screw it up. Accessories are a powerhouse to help you dress better without having to spend a lot of money. I am in love with accessories, and you know how strongly I believe in them, but there's just some accessories that I'm just like, yo, why? Why would you ever wear that? Like, these are hurting you, not helping you, my guy. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you will. See, today I'm gonna show you the 6 accessories I believe dudes just need to stop wearing. Let's hop into this. Number 1, rubber watches. See, rubber watches, I just don't think these have any room to be in any man's wardrobe. I just don't think so. A watch is supposed to elevate your outfits. It's supposed to kind of elevate your status. You should look like a high status dude. When you wear a rubber G-Shock, you look like you're still in middle school. The only time you should be wearing this if you're doing some sporting or outdoor activity. Other than that, anytime you slap this on in any outfit, you're really just hurting yourself more so than helping yourself. And the sad part is that for the same price, for around $100, you can get yourself a high quality automatic timepiece that's gonna elevate your outfit, but most dudes choose the rubber one. Number 2, the bifold. Now this one probably is a personal preference, but let me explain. See, bifolds give me like 1990 vibes. And on top of that, that double folded leather just seems kind of unnecessary to me, which ends up making this thick little bulge that every time you put it in your pocket, adds those bulges that look awkward. And then if that's not enough, all those extra slots that bifolds have, it's almost like mental. Because you have the space, you will naturally try to fill them up with a bunch of cards, and now you got this thick ass wallet that you're carrying all the time that's just unnecessary. This is why I recommend just a simple card wallet that has 3 to 4 slots. This way, it forces you to minimize your carry of cards to the basic essentials, to the ones that you actually need. Now you have a thinner wallet that's low profile. Another thing that I like to do is carry my wallet on my phone. Apple came up with a sick one that's super thin that you can use. This makes it super minimal, clean, and now you're avoiding those awkward bulges. Number 3, fake jewelry. Now, you already know how I feel about fake jewelry. Like, bro, like, it just doesn't look good. Like, why would you want to portray something that you're not? And I know you've seen that dude with like the diamond tester out in public. Like, yo, that is mad embarrassing. When people find out that you're wearing something that's really not you, it'll never make you look good. See, when it comes to expensive pieces, they should be a symbol of status where you work your way up to it, not that you take a cheat code and buy something that you know you can't really afford. Instead, why don't you just buy affordable jewelry? You don't need to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars. Buy yourself something simple. Like, I love pendant necklaces. Do you think I'm gonna go spend 30 grand on a pendant necklace? No, this is from Rose Gold and Black. It's about 40 bucks, made out of a high quality stainless steel metal that's not fake. It's not gonna peel on me. It's not gonna chip away on me. And instead it looks premium. You're not flexing anything that you're not. Instead, you're wearing premium jewelry that looks good. This is why I love Rose Gold and Black. See, if you want affordable jewelry, don't go buy fakes that are gonna peel on you. Buy premium stuff that's actually affordable. Go to Rose Gold and Black. See, they got you covered from watches to rings to necklaces to bracelets. And the cool part is they're always rolling out new designs, so they're always keeping it fresh. And if that's not enough, because I've been working with them for, over 4 years now. Like we're a brotherhood at this point. They really hook it up when it comes to you guys. See, not only is it already affordable, you guys click that link down below. That link has all the jewelry that I personally have in my collection that I use consistently that you can also check out, but it's heavily discounted. Like, it's crazy affordable at this point. And if that's not enough, yeah, they even hook it up with a free PC. If for every single order that any of you order right now, they're gonna send you 1 free bracelet or 1 free necklace. And here's the kicker. The necklace or bracelet that they send you is a limited edition piece. So you can't buy it anywhere, they'll never sell it. They only make it for this offer, meaning that you only get it when you buy a product, which when you do get it, whatever piece you have will be a custom piece that almost no one else in the world will have. That is unique. That's high quality. That's how you flex without actually having to spend racks on racks on racks. And instead, you get it for free, my guy. Like, why would you ever skip out on that offer? If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to have them linked down below. Like I said, if you're into rings or bracelets or necklaces, they're always constantly hooking it up. If you guys want to check it out, it's going to be linked down below. Which rolls us on to number 4. You're just wearing too much fragrance. Yes, too much of a good thing can be a bad thing, and that's the problem. Most guys think, oh, this smells great. Let me bathe myself in it. You ruined it. See, you need to understand projection. You only want to have enough projection where people that are in your vicinity are smelling you, and once they step outside of your vicinity, they don't have to deal with your smell anymore. When you're filling up a room, that's when everybody's getting annoyed. So usually your projection level, you want it to be about 1 to 2 feet, meaning about 2 feet from your body. That's how much your fragrance should project. That way, anybody that steps into your projection zone, they're gonna stay around a little bit longer when they're getting intimate with you because that scent is pleasant. So they're gonna linger for longer around your presence. So keeping that projection tight is key, and to do so, you only need 5 sprays. You already know, 2 in the neck, 1 in each wrist, 1 in the back. That's it. Number 5, high volume hairstyles. This has to go. Like, it ain't 2012 anymore, kid. Like, you look like Jimmy Neutron. It just looks disproportionate. When you put that much volume in your head, now you look like you have this long alien almond looking head. It'll never look good. Yeah, maybe it did in 2012, but that thing is like dead in the water. At this point, you got 2 options. Keep it cropped, nice and short. Cropped, it kind of actually defines your cheekbones more. You can see more of your jawline. It makes you look better. Or 2, if you want long hair, start growing it out. That medium to long hairstyle, it's actually trending right now. Just avoid the massive volume. And finally, number 6, frames that are small for your face. See, look, the 1990 styles are back. I get it. They're trending right now. You might want to try it, but you need to also be self-aware. You got a big head. There's a big noggin on your shoulders. And look, I'm not just even ragging on you. Your boy has a big head. Like, I got a lollipop on my shoulders. But I'm self-aware enough to understand that there's certain eyewear styles, because my head's so big, that will never look good. Like, I'll look like an evil villain or something. See, if you want glasses to fit you right, you need to understand temple width. So grab a ruler, a tape measure, or whatever, and measure from temple to temple. Whatever the width is, you need to find a frame that's the exact same width, no matter the style. If you can line those 2 up almost every single time, you're gonna have frames that suit your face. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. They're gonna be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.